Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we'll be unboxing the EZVIZ C3WN outdoor smart Wi-Fi camera. Now, on the front side of the packaging, you can see how the security camera looks like. They've mentioned that the resolution happens to be 2 megapixels at 1080p. Then you have some mention of the EZVIZ app, which can be obtained from the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store. Then on the right hand side, you have some EZVIZ branding, same for the left hand side. On the back of the packaging, you have environments in which this can be installed. So it's good for indoor, for your stores, as well as outdoor installation. Then you have the manufacturer's contact details, as well as some specifications over here. So video resolution is 1080p. The lens is 4mm with an f-stop of 2.0. Horizontal angle is 81 degrees and diagonal angle is 94 degrees. Then there's a second lens. This is a 2.8mm lens with an f-stop of 1.8 with a horizontal angle of 95 degrees and a diagonal angle of 110 degrees. It's got night vision capabilities up to 30 meters or 100 feet. And local storage can be done via a microSD card with a capacity of up to 256 GB. It's got a built-in microphone and it's IP66 rated. Operating temperature is between minus 30 degrees to 60 degrees Celsius. It uses a DC 12 volt power supply and the weight is 288 grams. You also have message, or rather a listing of whatever is found inside the packaging. Then on the front side, we have some mention of some key features. So the night vision capability is able to distinguish up to 30 meters or 100 feet. Then you can view the camera from anywhere using the app. It's HD resolution. We've already seen that the resolution is 1080p. It's IP66 rated. Your microSD slot has a capacity of 256 GB. And if you're using the microphone, then it can record audio from a distance of up to 16 feet or 5 meters. It uses Wi-Fi 2.4 gigahertz only, but it has 2 antennas as we saw on the front side of the packaging. Then you've got an optional service of secure cloud storage, which you can obtain. That's it for the packaging. Let's go ahead with the unboxing. So on the left hand side, you have a drill template. This is the screw holes, which you'd want to drill into a wall or wood unit to mount the camera. Then you have a quick start guide with a QR code at the bottom so that you can access it anywhere you want. Always read through the instruction manual or the quick start guide. We've already read what power requirements this particular security camera has, and the adapter is rated for 12 volts and 1.5 amperes. So in case you're looking for replacements, that's the metric that you should be looking for. Then you have these cabling accessories, which you may or may not require, depending on how you're installing it. The screws will always be required. You get 3 screws along with 3 screw grips. Then there's the camera itself. The front side of the camera is protected by plastic film. Here you have the 2 antennas. Be careful while rotating these. These don't go all the way around. So there are limitations. Don't push it too hard. Same goes for the other antenna as well. You've got a little ball joint for the pivot. It provides ample amount of grip, so you don't need any knob to tighten it or loosen it. Just a little reset button on the bottom. And you can open this after you unscrew these 2 screws and get the microSD slot on the inside. There's a little microphone hole over here. Some branding on either side. Then there's a little sticker with a QR code and a little base which you can screw or unscrew. Once you do that, you'll be able to separate it and then figure out what you want to do for the mounting part. Coming to the cabling interface, we have one for the power supply. So it clearly states you should be using DC 12 volt. That's an input. So you can take the power supply and slip that in. The second one is the data port. So this one uses a gigabit Ethernet port. That's how you would connect the security camera with the rest of your security system or your PC or whatever you're using, or rather the router. And this is what the front looks like. You can see the lens is right in the center, and you have LEDs on either side. So it'll most probably be using that to illuminate during night scenes. So that's how you'd get the night vision. And that's it for the unboxing of the EZVIZ C3WN outdoor smart Wi-Fi security camera. Thank you for watching.